Hi guys. I think you might remember me from Balsam Acres. That was quite a while ago. I noticed Aquarius Homestead is running another Shed Wars. This is my entry officially. If you want to look back and look at some of my videos from the beginning, gosh, I can't remember how far back it was, but it went quite a ways back. That was a different homestead. This is a new homestead I'm going to. I can explain more of that later on. Right now we're transitioning into a new homestead. We purchased some acreage in the very cold region of the northeast. Quite a bit, like almost on the border of Canada, eh? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna homestead up there, and I'm gonna actually show you some tips and tricks that will get you cooking in your garden. I missed everybody, the ones that I've met and I became friends with in the beginning. Not sure what happened, but we still have a couple of the same coaches, like Will It Grow. I was a part of the team of woodcutter, Arkansas woodcutter, and then there was Aquarius Homestead, and I know all those guys and some of the gals that the long-termers. I'm hoping they're still on there. If not, I'd like to make new friends if I'm chosen in the spring, because I'm kind of like off the charts for right now, and I am not on a homestead just right now. Eventually we're going to be going on a homestead in the next couple of months. We have a lot of developing to do. The first thing I want to do is get my garden up and running so that I can harvest come fall. I want to start hunting. I want to do a medicinal garden. I want to cull my own chickens. I want to milk my own goats, and come along while we do a lot of developing. And another thing is I'm recently married, remarried. Long story short, this is his first time on a homestead in the country in the cold region, so it should be interesting. I'm going to kind of show him the ropes and some of the things we need to do as a compatible partner and husband and wife. And if you notice, God is our foundation, and with that, anything's possible. So come along. This is not only an entry into the Shed Wars, this is an entry back into YouTube channel community. Thanks for watching. I'm going to put a couple little snippets in there from my old homestead, which was also in the same region, a little further down. I'm up in the Upper Peninsula right now, and not at this moment, but that's where our homestead is. Our home there will be in the Upper Peninsula on the shorelines of Lake Superior. I came from the shorelines of Lake Huron, which was close to the Mackinac Bridge. It's really not much of a jump, but I know how to farm it. So come along. Hopefully I get a spring nomination for Shed Wars, a new member to the Shed Wars. I see it's grown quite a bit. And for the ones that I've missed for a while, I missed you. Hope to see you again, and hope to get down and dirty with the Shed Wars, you know what I mean? But anyways, hopefully Aquarius Homestead takes a look at this, and I plan on being on his team. Aquarius Homestead. Thanks for watching. I hope to get picked, and let's get to growing. Let's do this. Bye.